So topic of this session is CRM. Now, what CRM stands for? Customer Relationship Management. Now, it is one of the important topic in a marketing management. Now, CRM originated in early 1970s when the business unit had a manifestation that it would be advisable to become customer empathetic rather than product empathetic. So birth of CRM was because of his full perspectiveness. Now, the famous writer and management consultant Peter Drucker wrote, "The true business of every company is to make and keep customer. Make and keep customer." So the words of Peter Drucker is the purpose of business is to create as well as keep a customer. It's not only about create a customer, create and keep a customer. And every executive understand the truth of these words. So today when business are scrambling to get customers, the importance of CRM cannot be ignored. Traditionally, every transaction was on paper and dependent on goodwill, which created hindrances in clutching customer. People used to work hard in entertaining customer by presenting new product with astonishing services. They were ready to work overtime for grasping more and more customer for increasing business. Result is customer satisfaction and loyalty up to some extent, apart from all these hardful efforts. But at the end of the day, there was no such bonding or relation between the two sides. So previously business was quite easy and it was basically one-to-one dealing without any specific process. But with time, due to incoming complexities in communication, it found itself in troubled waters. Emerging of new strategies and technologies in global marketplace and mammoth degree of competition in business, the approach needed to be changed to proactive rather than reactive. So CRM came as a process that deals with relationship between customer surpassing the whole business. It's all about the relationship between both sides. So when we're talking about customer relationship business, so customer relationship management is an upright concept or strategy to solidify relation with customer, at the same time reducing cost and enhancing productivity and profitability in business. Every business unit emphasizes on supporting to a long-term good relationship with customer to nurture its stability in today's market. Customer expectations are now not only limited to get best products and services, they also need a face-to-face business in which they want to receive exactly what they demand in a quick time. So CRM system provides a well-defined platform for all business units to interact with their clients and fulfill all their needs and demands very effectively and to build long-term relationship. So for building a long-term relationship, CRM is very helpful. A CRM is not only used to deal with existing customer but also useful in acquiring new customer. It is not only for the existing customer but it is also useful for acquiring the new customer in today's world. So the process first start with identifying a customer and maintaining all the corresponding details into the CRM system, which is also called an opportunity of business. Customer relationship management strategies have given a new outlook to all the suppliers and customers to keep the business going under an estimable relationship by fulfilling mutual needs of buying and selling. So when we're talking about customer relationship management, So customer relationship management usually helps the organization for building a relationship with its customer. Customer relationship management is a strategy which is customized by an organization to manage and administrative its customer and vendors in an efficient manner for achieving excellence in business. So customer relationship is a strategy for managing all company relationship interaction with your customers and potential customer. It helps you to improve your profitability. Customer relationship management enables you to focus on your organization relationship with individual people, whether those are customers, service users, colleagues or supplier. So when we are talking about customer relationship, so customer relationship has certain features like customer needs. So an organization can never assume what actually a customer needs. So it is extremely important to interview a customer about all the likes and dislikes so that the actual needs can be ascertained and prioritized without modulating the actual needs. Customer response. Customer response is the reaction by the organization to the queries and activities of the customer. Dealing with these queries intelligently is very important, as small misunderstanding could convey unlike perception. Customer satisfaction is a measure of how the needs and responses are collaborated and delivered to excel customer expectation. In today's competitive business marketplace, customer satisfaction is an important performance exponent and basic differentiator of business strategy. It's all about the customer satisfaction. Customer loyalty, another important features of CRM. Customer loyalty is the tendency of the customer to remain in business with a particular supplier and buy the product's strategy. This is usually seen when a customer is very much satisfied with the supplier and revisit the organization for business deal. So when we're talking about CRM features, so organization first to know the customer needs. It means an organization can never assume what actually a customer needs. So first they should know the needs of the customer, giving the good response, that is called customer response. Customer satisfaction is also an important and vital part of CRM, building a loyalty and as well as how they retain customer. It is customer retention. So when we're talking about customer retention, so relationship marketing is very important. So customer retention is a strategic process to keep or retain the existing customer and not letting them to go from the other side, that is competitor side. So usually a loyal customer is tended towards sticking to a particular brand or a product as far as his basic needs continue to be properly fulfilled. Customer complaints. As an organization, as a company, you have to consider or properly do the needful steps for customer complaint. So there exists a challenge for supplier to deal with complaints raised by customer. Normally, raising a complaint indicates that the act of dissatisfaction of the customer regarding products, services, or sometimes some other reason. So there can be several reasons for customer to launch a complaint, but a genuine reason can also exist due to which the customer is dissatisfied. But sometimes complaints are launched due to some sort of misunderstanding. So you have to consider this well. Customer service. In our organization, customer service is the process of delivering information and services regarding all the products and brands. Customer satisfaction depends on quality of service provided to him by the supplier, the organization has not only to elaborate and clarify the details of the services. So these are the important features of CRM. Customer relationship management is about strengthening the relationship between the customer and the organization. So customer relationship management is not only pure business but also ideate strong personal bonding within people. Development of this type of bonding drives the business to a new level of success. Relationship marketing is about forming long-term relationship with customer rather than trying to encourage a one-time sales. So you have to build a good relationship with your customer for building a loyalty as well as for retaining the customer. So this is different than most normal advertising practice that focus on single transaction. Watch ad A and buy product B. Relationship marketing, by contrast, is usually not linked to a single product or offer. It involves a company refining the way they do business in order to maximize the value. So when we're talking about customer relationship management, so once this personal and emotional linkage is built, it is very easy for any organization to identify the actual needs of customer and help them to serve them in a better way. So it is a belief that more sophisticated strategies involved in implementing the customer relationship management, the more strong and fruitful is the business. Most of the organization have dedicated world-class tools for maintaining CRM into their workplace. A CRM system consists of historical view and analysis of all the acquired or to be acquired customer. Now this is very important to remember, all the acquired or to be acquired. This helps in reducing searching and correlating customers and to foresee customer need effectively and increase business. There are number of softwares, number of companies who are providing CRM. These are the names: Oracle, SAP, Salesforce, Tavishma, Amdocs, Sugar CRM, or CRM. These are the number of softwares. So when we're talking about CRM, in CRM system, customers are grouped according to different aspects, according to the type of business they do, or according to the physical location, and are allocated to different customer managers. So a CRM system is not only used to deal with the existing customer, but it is also useful for acquiring new customers. So the process first starts with identifying a customer and maintaining all the corresponding detail into the CRM system, which is called an opportunity of business. So when we are talking about CRM, so CRM is the strongest aspects is that it is a very good for building a relationship as well as to acquiring a new customer and retaining the existing customer. Efficiently dealing with all the customers and providing them what they actually need increases the customer satisfaction. This increases the chance of getting more business, which ultimately enhances turnover and profit. So if the customer is satisfied, they will always be loyal to you and will remain in business forever, resulting in increasing customer base and ultimately enhancing net growth of business. So when we are talking about a customer relationship, so you have to remember it is not for the new customer, it is for the existing as well as for the new. And how should we retain the customer? So features of CRM. Now this was CCDVTP. It means create, communicate, deliver value to a target market at a profit. That is was CCDVTP. So these 6 letter prompt using to confront some challenging question. How do we create products and services and communicate and deliver value? How do we do that for a target market? How do we do that at a profit. So if you get stuck answering these questions, now back up, dig deep and answer this one. WD means what do we do that worth doing? What we do we worth doing means what do we do that worth doing? That is customer needs, response, satisfaction, loyalty, retention, complaint service. That what I already told to you. To know the customer needs, getting the customer response. Customer should be satisfied. Building a loyalty programs, customer retention, train their how you should retain the customer. Work on their complaints, providing the good services. That is what the CRM is. These are the certain benefits and advantage of CRM, like enhanced contact management, cross team collaboration, empowered sales management, reliable reporting, improved sales metric, boost marketing ROI. So these are the number of benefits and advantage which include customer relationship management. Thank you.